Hi everyone, this is Adam Brackber with renovations.com. It's renderinnovations.com. I just want to quickly introduce you guys to Gravity Forms. For those of you who have a website with WordPress and are looking to be able to add an awesome form program to your website, I think Gravity Forms you really should take a look at. I've been doing this for quite a while, and Gravity Forms has been the best form that I've seen, that I enjoy, that's easy to use, and that is so multifunctional. So I'm going to quickly introduce you to the Gravity Forms. Now I'm going to jump ahead. I already purchased the form. I already downloaded it and uploaded it to the WordPress site. Okay, so once it's activated, there will be a little button here that says forms, and we'll need to create a new form. So I'm just going to briefly introduce you to what it can do and how it works. So I'm going to create a new form and going to give it a title. Now it will give you a quick introduction already on the main page, but just to get on with explaining what it can do, on the right hand side here you'll see a bunch of different options. Okay, so say you want to have someone, typically you want people to add their name to the form. Maybe you want them to add their email address, maybe their mailing address. What about a phone? Maybe you want them to upload a file. You can do that. And maybe you want them to have a brief introduction on who they are, what they're about. So let's just use this as a general contact form. Okay. Now the rest you can explore. There are instructions that Gravity Forms give you. I'm not going to go into detail what each individual button does. I highly encourage you to take a look at Gravity Forms. You can click below the button to be able to go to Gravity Forms website and take a look what they have, maybe purchase it, enjoy what they offer. Highly worth it. So continuing, you can allow people to add their names. You can even just do extended. Maybe they have the prefix first, last name, suffix, etc. You can even make it required. Email address. Maybe you need to have an email confirmation. Some people type so fast that they don't get their email address correct. You can do something like this. Their address, something wonderful. File upload, people can add whatever files that they want. You can limit extensions, so maybe you only want people to upload PDFs. You can make sure that they only upload PDFs and nothing else. Okay. And you can also retitle. So right here it says untitled. You can retitle it, say about yourself. You can also set maximum characters. Okay. You can make it large, make it a little bit larger, that kind of stuff. So now we're done. Pretty easy, something like that. But maybe I want to have the file upload below the about yourself. Just click and drag and you're good. Always make sure you hit the update form on the right. And we're done. Some other extra things that's pretty great about this Gravity Forms are the extra settings. So you can, again, retitle it, give it a description, just a couple layout options. Confirmations allows you to say something at the end. When someone fills out your form, what do you want to say? Do you want to say thanks for contacting us? You can customize it. You can send them to a page on your WordPress website, or you can redirect them to maybe there's a product, maybe there is another thank you page. You can have the confirmations. Notifications are for your notification. Notifications mean it will send you an email of your client, your customer, your visitor's submission. Okay. Which is great. You know, it also saves it on the back end of your WordPress. I will show you shortly. So now the form's done. We like it. It's a contact form. We want to embed this on a page. Super easy. We're going to create a new contact us page. All right. There is a button that's already available. You click on add form. Click the title, the name of the form that we just created. I don't have a description. Going to disable it. I don't typically enable Ajax. Ajax is a nerd term for some of you. I'm sure you don't want to know what it is. It doesn't work for some browsers or for some computers, so I usually like to leave it off. And insert form. That's it. It's pretty simple. It gives you a short code, which you can use anywhere else on your website. Maybe you have widgets on your sidebar, etc. But right now, plain and simple, we're just going to publish it. I'm going to take a look what it looks like. And here it is. So it's pretty awesome. Pretty easy. Now, this can do so many different things. All right, Gravity Forms allows you to have add-ons. Add-ons include maybe you want to have someone's email address get sent to your newsletter. Okay, there's Aweber, Campaign Monitor, and MailChimp, which I highly recommend as MailChimp. If you want to sell a product, you can use PayPal. Polls, quizzes. If you want someone to sign a form as a legal document, you can. It even works for iPad. They can sign with their finger. Surveys. Twilio is a text message notification where if they enter their phone number, you can send text messages to them. And user registration add-on. If someone submits a form, they can be added as a subscriber to your website. So pretty good stuff. Again, there's a button below where you can go over, take a look at Gravity Forms, get familiar with it, buy it. It's totally worth it. I use it for all of my clients, and you know, it's the best out there, and very versatile. It's pretty cool. So much that I can't even go into this video right now. And hopefully sometime soon I will go into detail more about Gravity Forms. So big fan. Take a look at it. Enjoy.